These genius IKEA hacks will take your home decor to the next level on the cheap. Turn the ordinary into the extraordinary with these awesome DIY projects and ideas. Whether you're looking to update your bedroom with new side tables, a dresser, or headboard, or you want to level up your home office with a renovated desk, or you want to update the look of your den with a new coffee table, these 15 genius IKEA hacks will help you get the look for less. 1. Luminate a Regolith lamp. You don't have to be a DIY wizard to be an IKEA hacker. Easy updates can also add an eye-catching twist that you won't see elsewhere. These Regolith paper lampshades have been given a monochrome makeover with ink stamps and geometric freehand painted black stripes. 2. Decorate a Doug Tig kitchen. IKEA is very proud of their children's department, and they produce plenty of kid-friendly products that are perfect for hacking. The Doug Tig Play Kitchen makes a fun canvas to make over, and could perhaps be a trial run for your own colorful new kitchen scheme. Little Years has created a mid-century modern kitchenette with funky retro paper that we think is very striking. 3. Cozy up a Marius stool. Turn the simplest Marius IKEA stool into retro seating with a homemade cover. This IKEA basic stool had its legs sprayed teal and a colorful matching crochet cushion cover attached to the seat pad. The stool legs and screws secure the cushion in place, making a comfortable pad. If you're not a crafter, you can buy ready-made covers online. 4. Reorganize with the Mauslanda ledges. Mauslanda picture ledges are currently fashionable when mounted above sofas and beds to artfully lean pictures. But how about using them in new ways? Turn them lengthwise and secure them vertically to a wall. Attach knobs to the tops and bottoms. Then use ropes or stretchy bands to create fences across the knobs. It's a simple but effective way to store tall items in a hallway. 5. Add sunshine to a Skagsta bench. A touch of durable outdoor paint turns a budget bench into a cheerful seating solution for the garden. We're loving Sarah Hart's reverse color dip idea that drenches this Norna's bench, now discontinued, into sunshine yellow. 6. Go luxe with a basic chest of drawers. Rust-Oleum has also transformed this Tarva chest into a beautiful royal blue unit of drawers with glamorous gold detailing. Visitors will never guess where you got it. Now discontinued, the Rast chest of 3 drawers is similar. 7. Let a Billy bookcase burst with color. Turn basic into beautiful with vibrant pops of color. Designer Trapped in a Lawyer's Body has combined 2 classic IKEA products to create one elegant storage solution. Painted pretty fuchsia pink and customized with backing board, the fabulous creation is complete. And if one IKEA hack is not enough, make 2 for double the impact. Did you love all these creative IKEA hacks? Which one was your favorite? If you enjoyed these, write your opinion in the comments column. And don't forget to share this video to your social media and friends.